Dom Wood presents The Sounds of the Super Bowl 2011.
There's a big stop. Big stop, big stop. Big stop. Yeah! That's an interception. And a kick. Go, big man, go! What just happened? Oh! He punched him. Flag it, flag it. No! No catch! No catch! No catch! I don't know. Boom. Out. Boing. Of course there's a penalty flag. Ha! What? You're wrong. You can't. You're up. Super Bowl referee. You have to make a correction? Well, alrighty. They're gonna re-kick. Let's kick it. Let's kick it. He's a redhead. You gotta heal him in that ball. Boom. Go! Go! Why would you do that? What? Go! Touchdown! We got ourselves a game! Oh, they're gonna go for two. Oh, they got the two! They got the two! It's a 3-point game, buddy. It's a 3-point game! Wish I could make gun sound. Why? What'd you do that? I thought it was cool. Oh my ridiculous Nicholas. No good! Ay. Need a touchdown, baby. They need a touchdown! Go, go, go! 4th and 5, it all comes down to this. What will happen? Oh my gosh. That's the game. Green Bay wins. Well, Liz Glee's on next.
This has been a presentation of The Sounds of the Super Bowl 2011.